to show you some old ones. So this is the very, very old one. See here? This is a Star Wars one that you can see. Here's how it works. So, like, you show, like, see how, like, this, you have to, like, pull this back, then pull it, like, forward again, then you shoot. Oh, that's cool. So we're on to another one. Here's another one of my old ones, kind of big. See how cool? It was in the backyard. We found it. It still works, but we need new batteries. Yeah, that's kind of a shame. Also, we're gonna show chainsaw. Look how cool this thing is. It's my favorite one out of all of them. See how like it like shows the spin. You can like when you run out of bullets, you can like chain them. And this is how you reload. This is how you reload. Also, here's the front. It looks so cool. Because look at it, they also put like a fake thing, like a little like tool and stuff. Let me put that one there. There. And it shows this one, not too much, but it's a little gun. You pull like this back, and it comes with a disc. It's kind of different. You shoot it, and that's just all about this one. Get this one. It's the chain. It's actually called the crossbow. The zombie strike crossbow. So like you see, like you pull this back. Pull this back, then you shoot it. So like you see, like you can take this off. There's a scope. That's so cool. Next one to this one. Okay, so here's this one. It's another old one. It's kind of different because you can like put extra bullets in the back. So like when you run out of bullets in the front, you can like take the bullets out of here and reload your thing. So let's get on to the next one. You can just put that one right there and put this one right there. So we're going on to the next one. Is this big baby? So here's the next one. It's very cool. It's so big. This is the least like the 10th one I ever got. And it comes with this cool magnet. That's so cool. I love this gun. It's my favorite out of all of them. So we have this one. It's a zombie strike one again, and you pull this back to reload it. Shoot. It comes with a like a 5 thing where you put your bullets in. So like you pull this back and you shoot. Next one. This one's a cool one too. It's so cool. So like this one's a different one. If you've seen a commercial, you probably know what this does. You like pull this back, then you like pull it. You go like pull it forward again. So then you shoot. That's cool. So we're on to another one. It's a Star Wars gun again, but it's kind of little. So like this one's different. You have to pull like this little gray piece back. If I can, then you shoot. I need to show you this one. This one's a cool one too. This time you pull it from the bottom. You've probably seen the commercials of all of these, so you probably already know that. Then this one's kind of different. Comes with big bullets. You see some commercials with different, but not these. But you see some commercials with these. That's another one. Woo. Let's get on to this one. Obviously, I got this one and this one at the same day. This one's actually kind of the same. You pull this back, then then you put, this comes with a 6 dart clip. So yeah, that's the same. Also, like, you have to like pull these two right there. Then that's how you get the homework. Okay, let's just get on to the next one. So here's this one. It's so cool. Comes with a 6, like it's where it comes with 6 bullets, and you pull this back. So that's that one, and you shoot. Here's the last one. But I'm gonna end this video. Here's the last one. See here? It's this one's kind of really old one. I never used it before. See how like it's so cool? Also, that one, it's the same. You shoot it. So that's the very last one. I already showed you this one. So we're gonna end the video now. So I hope you liked the video. See you guys on the next video. Bye.